So this video is about how to install SizeLabels. So SizeLabels makes use of a simplified installer for InDesign extend scripts. So a plugin installer is a tool that installs all kinds of things, including InDesign extend scripts. So to get the plugin installer, you first need to visit store.tgrg.net, and on that page you'll find download links for various versions of the plugin installer. So in my case, I downloaded the Windows 10 for Intel processor. So that gives you a zip file. So you need to unzip that zip file and move the contents of that zip file to a convenient location. So for the demo, I've moved it onto my desktop, but you would normally install this into your programs folder or applications folder on Mac. So then you run the plugin installer, and that brings up an account window. Now you don't need an account if you're only interested in running a demo of SizeLabels, but once you want to purchase the optional pro features, you will need to create a user account here. So you start by clicking new and so on and creating a user account. So in this case, I'll just go over the installing and ordering. So first thing to do is to browse the store for software, and in the store you go to the Rorohiko products, and there you see an entry for SizeLabels. So you just single click SizeLabels, and that brings up the installing and ordering window with the SizeLabels entry available. So this local product catalog are just entries of products you're tried or looked at or might have purchased. In this case, this is a brand new install, so we'd only have SizeLabels. So the next thing I need to do is download SizeLabels, and the product catalog knows where to download it. So all I need to do is click the download button. So now the download has started. I need to wait a little bit. So at the bottom you can see where we are at. So now it has been downloaded, and then the next thing is to pick a version of InDesign to install it with. So in this computer I have two versions of InDesign. I have the 2024 version and the 2023 version. So I'll install it into the 2024 version. And I've installed it previously, so if you want to install it or upgrade, you would uninstall. So now I click install. So you can see at this on this button whether it is currently installed or not. So currently now it is installed. If I click InDesign, I would immediately see on my scripts panel that SizeLabels has been installed, and then you can run the script as in the demo video that where I showed SizeLabels. Okay.